Hi everyone, in front of me I've got AGM H6 and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the section apps. Then let's tap on see all 47 apps, of course 47 in my case, and here we've been transferred to the list of all apps which are installed on this device. And what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of them, especially through those which you're frequently using, and remove cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the apps, and obviously they are occupying some memory. So just open the app, then go to storage and cache, and here tap on clear cache, and your device will immediately remove it. I do not recommend tapping on clear storage unless you wish to make the app brand new. So as I said, just go through all of those apps and remove cache, and summing them up will release a considerate amount of memory. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.